There are some cons to doing your website yourself and using the DIY approach. Number one is that it's time consuming to customize effectively. So a lot of times you see a finished website and you're like, oh, this probably takes like an hour or 2 hours or something. But honestly, it can take 20 hours, 30 hours, 50 hours. I know that most of our projects that we do for our clients, they take us anywhere from 80 to 100 hours for the website from A to Z, and that's just for your standard business. Another con of doing things yourself DIY is that you're going to have limited functionality and scalability. So the problem is that those kind of platforms that I mentioned earlier, Wix and Squarespace, they have limited functionality of what you can do. And so when you try to scale in the future and your business grows, you find out that you're put in a box and you're not able to scale correctly. And we've had a lot of our clients that come to us, to our business, who wanted to do their website or to create a new website for them. They came to us from those platforms and they said, hey, I'm trying to add this functionality. And I chatted with support and I wasn't able to add it. So that is one of the big problems also with DIY solutions. And then the third con of DIY websites is that, and when you look unprofessional, you lose potential customers. So the thing is that people think that, hey, a website design doesn't really matter. All that matters is just like, hey, it's pleasing to the eye. And as long as I think it's good, then that's probably going to be what everybody else thinks. But that's not really true. It's important that a website looks professional and that it looks clean. And it's up to modern web designs, because if you have an outdated design, then people are going to look at it and it's going to reflect poorly on your business, and then you're going to lose credibility and people won't be able to trust your website, and so they're not going to go down that funnel or the sales process to even engage you in asking more about your products or your services that you're offering. So that also is a potential con.